to the, so let's imagine that, you have already executed your scripts. Now you want to see your reports, so which is very simple. So what you do is you just, now I'll just showcase to you some sample reports. So if you see, this is what the report looks like. So this is a 25C accounts payable test run which was executed. So there were 75 tests that was executed. So it executed for a time of close to 9 hours, and then it gives the start time, end time, the configuration name, application URL, and so on. And you can also see each and every script that is executed has been mentioned over here. You can quickly go to a particular script and then view the script details. It was a create purchase order online, and then it has all the details, what is the execution time and so on, the status as well. And then each and every step is also noted down over here. So first we logged into the application, and what was the input test data and so on, and every screenshot is captured, right? And your sensitive data will be masked over here. And so every step is basically captured, and that's how it is very useful in terms of your reporting, right? So in, or your audit for our clients, right? So you will have failed even failed screenshots as well, so failed report as well. That will give you exactly where your script failed, and that will help our team to quickly understand the error message. So for example, this script has failed because of it was not able to paste value because I think some screen was ahead. So if you see, it shows that it was trying to paste some value, but there was a screen which came in top, and it prohibited it from doing that, right? So it's a very descriptive messages, which actually helps us debug. So basically, this is your overall the WinfoTest application. We also have the admin page, which is specifically available to the admin user. So for that person to do the configuration and so on, right? So apart from this, we also provide a very detailed, comprehensive training as soon as we have done with the implementation stage, where we implement this particular platform or solution to our customer. Then we go through a 2 weeks or 3 weeks. It can be customized, detailed training plan where we train them in terms of creation of scripts, execution of scripts, and then how to evaluate the report and so on. So apart from our script assistant, script creation, we also have script creation manually, which is also available, as well as through a spreadsheet template, but we always prefer through our script assistant. So this is basically overall the WinfoTest, demo that basically talks about how WinfoTest solves a very critical challenge about testing Oracle Cloud application. Yeah, thank you.